Hi, friends. Welcome to today's reading lesson. Today we're going to do Journey to Meaning Lesson 5, Part 3. Our learning target is I can use what I know about characters to determine similarities about certain characters. So I know that we've been working on the same learning target, but today it's going to look a little different because we are doing predictions. Ooh, predictions. So we're going to make predictions in stories today. You've been studying similar characters across different books. Shy characters, mean characters. And now that you know some of these character traits and how certain types of characters will act, we're going to make predictions about what will happen next. So last week when we did Chico the Brave and Shy Charles, we can think, okay, well, we know that those characters were shy, and some things shy characters did was they would avoid looking at friends, they didn't want to talk, they didn't like to make friends easily, or maybe they, didn't volunteer a lot. All those things can give us an idea if we know another character is shy, how they might act. So today, you're going to listen to little clips of a story. So this is no different than if your teacher was holding up a book, turning some pages, and then stopping to talk about it. So each clip on these next couple slides are just a couple seconds long or a minute or two long. That's okay. You're not supposed to listen to the whole story in one shot. Okay, so I'll explain it and I'll read these slides to you. So as you listen to the story clips, think of a character trait for Mean Jean. Our story is called The Recess Queen. Okay, and this is Mean Jean right here. Think, what do we know about characters who are like that? So once you think of a character trait for her, a word you would use to describe her, what do you already know about characters who act that way? And because we now know that similar characters act the same way, regardless of the book that they're in, we can predict what will happen next in the story. So first, you're going to listen to clip 1. So it's only a couple pages in the story. You're going to click, listen, and then over here you're responding, what is happening so far in the story? Just type, tell me what is happening in the story. When you're done, you'll go to the next slide and I'll show you what to do. All right, so now that you've listened to clip number 1, you already wrote what was happening in the story. Here in clip number 2, we're going to listen to a couple other pages. Okay, and it's a shorter clip, it's not the whole story. And you're going to think, oh my goodness, what might happen next? So again, knowing what you know about those type of characters and how they usually act, what could be happening next? And you're going to type that right here. So after you listen to this, type what might happen next. And on this last one, you're going to listen to the rest of the story and you're going to answer these last 2 questions. How did the story end? And was your prediction right? And remember, friends, predictions can be wrong, right? They're not always right. But we're trying to use our story clues and our knowledge of characters to understand this a little better and to make these predictions. So if you don't get the right prediction, if you weren't correct in seeing what would happen at the end of the story, don't worry about it. But I do want you to say if you were right or wrong and what your prediction was. If you decided to write these or draw these on paper, then please upload pictures on each of these slides. If not, you're just typing in here and you don't need to take pictures of anything. I hope you liked today's story, and I can't wait to see all of your predictions. Good luck, friends.